Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Fujifilm is renowned for its exceptional image quality, retro design, and user-friendly interfaces. Today, we're diving into the world of photography to find the perfect Fujifilm camera for beginners in 2024. Our first choice for this topic is the Fujifilm XT5. Equipped with a 40.2MP X-trans CMOS 5 sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality and detail, while its advanced autofocus system ensures fast and accurate subject tracking. The XT5 also boasts impressive video capabilities, supporting 4K recording up to 60 frames per second and F-Log for enhanced color grading. Its retro-inspired design features a tilting touchscreen and robust controls, allowing photographers to easily adjust settings on the fly. With a weather-sealed body and impressive battery life, the XT5 is built to perform in various shooting conditions, making it a versatile tool for creative expression. Our second choice for this topic is the Fujifilm XS20. It is a versatile mirrorless camera designed for both aspiring photographers and content creators. Featuring a 26.1MP X-trans CMOS 4 sensor, it offers stunning image quality with excellent low-light performance and vibrant colors. The XS20 includes advanced autofocus capabilities, ensuring quick and precise subject tracking, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects. With 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second and a variety of film simulation modes, it caters to videographers and photographers alike. Its compact and lightweight design, along with a fully articulating touchscreen, makes it perfect for vlogging and capturing creative angles. Additionally, the XS20's intuitive controls and user-friendly interface provide a seamless shooting experience, making it a great choice for those looking to explore their creativity. Our third choice for this topic is the Fujifilm XH2S. Featuring a 26.1MP X-trans CMOS 5HS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality with outstanding dynamic range and low-light capabilities. The camera boasts an advanced autofocus system with 425 phase detection points, ensuring fast and accurate focusing even in challenging conditions. One of its standout features is the ability to shoot 6.9K video at up to 30 frames per second, along with 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, catering to demanding video projects. The XH2S also includes in-body image stabilization, enhancing stability during handheld shooting. Its robust build quality and weather-sealed design make it suitable for various environments, while the fully articulating touchscreen adds versatility for creative compositions. Overall, the XH2S combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly interface, making it an exceptional choice for capturing stunning visuals. Our fourth choice for this topic is the Fujifilm GFX 100 Mark II. With its 102MP BSI CMOS sensor, it captures incredible detail and dynamic range, making it an excellent choice for landscape, portrait, and commercial photography. The camera features an advanced autofocus system with 425 phase detection points, ensuring quick and accurate focusing even in low-light conditions. It also supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, along with 16-bit RAW output, catering to the needs of videographers. The GFX 102 includes in-body image stabilization for smooth handheld shooting and boasts a rugged, weather-sealed design, making it durable for various shooting environments. With its intuitive controls and high-resolution touchscreen, this camera provides a seamless shooting experience, making it a premier choice for professionals seeking exceptional quality and versatility in their work. Our final choice for this topic is the Fujifilm X100 It continues the legacy of the X100 series with impressive performance and versatility. Featuring a 26.1MP X-trans CMOS 4 sensor, it delivers outstanding image quality with rich colors and excellent detail. The camera is equipped with a fast and sharp 23mm f/2 lens, ideal for street photography, portraits, and everyday shooting. Its hybrid viewfinder combines an optical and electronic display, providing photographers with flexibility in how they compose their shots. The X100 also supports 4K video recording and includes a range of film simulation modes, enhancing its creative potential. With a refined design, improved autofocus system, and intuitive controls, The X106 is perfect for photographers seeking a high-quality, portable option that excels in various shooting scenarios. So, whether you go with the XT5, XS20, or XH2S, Fujifilm has something to offer every beginner. Happy shooting, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips.